One of the most common requests I get from members in my community, from my clients, is for recipes, simple, healthy recipes. And as a health and nutrition coach, I have tons of recipes. Sometimes I throw things together and just kind of wing it. And sometimes I have a really specific recipe that I love and make that same one over and over again. Today, though, I want to go a little bit different. I have a recipe for you, but it's going to be really simple. It's something that you can do tonight at home with ingredients that you have on hand. And this is to make simple dinner using sheet pan meals. If you've never made sheet pan meals before, we're doing quick, healthy, flavorful, chop everything up, throw it together, and I'm going to give you some ideas as to how to get started. So I'll give you some tips as to how to throw things together. I'll include some recipes. So if you're brand new to this or you're not comfortable just throwing things together, I'll give you some specific recipes. Use them as guidelines and use them with things you already have on hand, things that you can whip up in your kitchen for dinner tonight. It's quick to put together. It's really yummy and it's actually really quick cleanup. And there's probably going to be something in there that everybody in your family likes. So head on into this week's blog where you're going to get simple sheet pan meals, some recipes, some tips, ideas as to how to get started making these really flavorful recipes. I hope you enjoy.